connected.
Welcome to another Sena video tutorial. In this video, I will show you how to set up the external microphone for the Prism tube. When you record with your Prism tube, you have the option to use the internal mic, or you can use an external mic. When you open up your package for the first time, you should notice that you have an external mic and a speaker. To connect them, simply match the colors. Red goes with the mic and the black goes with the speaker. Now connect the micro USB connector to the port in the back of the camera and tighten the cap to secure the connector. With the microphone and speaker connected to your Prism tube, you can now hear all of your audio prompts and record your voice directly to the camera.